Let us glimpse now, friends, at a master's work with the alchemical keys, and see what hides behind layers of symbolic allegory. Ah, yes, the Vesca Pisces, the alchemical wedding of the left and right brain, the synchronization of hemispheres, the unity of opposites, the harmonious equilibrium of Venus and Mars, fire and water, spirit and matter, the divine paradox showing the masculine and the feminine, and the Venusian and the Martian, shadow integrated into light and the light integrated into shadow, the left hand controlling the right brain and the left brain controlling the right hand. Now the Apostles, the Holy 12, the signs of the Zodiac, an alchemical framework for gnosis, for cosmic vision, to command the Logos, a recipe for transmuting fear into love and lead into gold, an example of karmic mastery and perfectly balanced forces.